Hello and welcome to the Marine Channel. My name's Finn and today we're at the Southampton Boat Show. And we've got a boat for you today that I think is a really cool one. It's the Windy 27 Solano RS, and Windy are known for their high quality, high performance and really good seakeeping. But come on board and let me show you around. So the first thing you come to on this really good sized bathing platform, you've got a locker just under here and a bathing ladder under here. But a really nice touch is these handles that make it nice and easy when you're getting in and out of the water, because that can be a struggle, but they have solved that problem. This bolster here can move forwards and backwards, which means you can either have a sun pad facing aft or seating at this side or a sun pad facing forwards. You come in through here and you've got more really good sized seating, so you can fit another 3 or 4 people. But again, just look at that, really nice colours on this as well, and some cup holders nicely built in just over here. Up to the helm station, you've got these really cool colour and pattern chairs with built-in bolsters, so you can sit down or stand up depending on the sea condition. 2 of those obviously. These chairs also swivel around so you can engage with your guests when you're at anchor or on a mooring. Right, up to the important end. So you've got this really nice steering wheel here. You've got a really good sized Raymarine multifunction display, all your dials along here. This is a single inboard diesel Volvo. So you've got your throttle controls here and then all of your switches. And this one has got a bow thruster, which is very useful when manoeuvring into berths. Lovely carbon fibre effect on the dashboard here as well. Access up to the front, you've got these steps which just go up the middle of the boat here, and then you pop open the windscreen and you can just climb straight out, but it's really good access. And then when you come down below, remember this is only a 27-foot boat, so you do have really good space down here. Really wide berth, lots of natural light from hatch up there, and then portholes either side there. But don't worry, you do in here have a heads, and a really nicely fitted out one at that. Really nice. Lots of lovely materials all throughout the boat. This wood just shows it's a really high quality boat. So there you have it, the Windy 27 Solano RS. I think it's a really nice boat. There's lots of interesting features, and being a Windy, you're going to end up with really high quality, really good performance, and yeah, just an all-round great boat, as I said. So thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please do subscribe, please like the video and hit that bell notification so you're always alerted when we post a new video. But we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.